Hey guys, I am back. Oh my goodness, it has been forever since I've done a video. In today's video, I will be working with Janet Collection, Tress, and their Ziggy Mambo twist. So let's just get right into it. I did want to do a detailed video this time because I feel like I've always been rushing through it. So I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern and how I style this hair. So the Janet Collection sent me this because I'm partnered with them to show you guys how bomb this Mambo twist hair is. Of course, it's crochet, so we love crochet. We love a quick slay. We love a quick hairdo. We do not like sitting in the chair for hours and hours, and this only took me 2.5 to 3 hours. 3 hours because I was going pretty slow and taking my time. So what I'm doing right now, just parting my hair and just sectioning off the front because we're going to do a little bit, something a little bit different in the front than the back. So what you want to do is just part your hair down the middle and you want to section it off. So you guys, I'm sorry. It took me forever to return back to YouTube. It's just been so much going on. I got COVID, so I was out for like 2 weeks. And on top of that, just amongst of a lot of chaotic stuff that I have not been able to create content, but I am so happy I'm back. I'm so happy, and I thank God that I'm feeling better and that I could give you guys another good video. So anyways, like you can see, I am just sectioning my parts, and I'm going in with some edge control, and I'm just going to use this rubber band method where you put the rubber bands and you connect all of the braids together. Now what had happened was, and what you're about to see is me doing something I was not supposed to do. So what happened, and I probably cut it out of the video, I had used rubber bands on all the parts because I did not know what I was doing. So I end up like, what the heck am I doing? So what you want to do is you want to take that first parted section and you want to connect the other part as one, so it'll always all be one. You don't need like separate rubber bands as you see at the top of my head. I don't know why I did that, but you don't need that. You can do that, but it'll be tougher for the crochet braid to fit through. So you can just connect all of your braids with the rubber bands. No, I do not put oil on my rubber bands. I know people say that will stop the breakage or whatever, but look, I don't got time for that. Less time, that's me. I need to be quick and in a hurry. So, ooh, excuse me. Anyways, yes, I'm over COVID. Don't be trying to, like I still got COVID, but no, I don't. But I still do got a little cough. Anyways, so as you can see, I'm just connecting my parts together, and I'm gonna do this for the entire front of my head, and then I'm going to cornrow the back. So I'm gonna let you see all of this good stuff right here. And yeah, so I wanted to let you know that you don't have to make these parts super tight because again, it's gonna hurt putting the crochet braid through the parts. So you want to just make sure your part and the rubber band is not as tight, but if you still want that sleek and that like natural parting look with crochet braids, you kind of have to do them like this, or you can braid them together. But just as long as it's neat and you slick that edge control or whatever hold that you have, because me with crochet, I cannot stand the corn rolls back to, I just don't like that. It just looks super wiggish. It just does not look real and authentic. So I just love to make sure I have some type of parts, and my parts are neat as possible. So like I said, I'm going to just braid and I'm going to connect the front to the back with cornrows. Now these cornrows, you guys, you don't have to make them tight. I know you want to keep this hairstyle long if you do decide to keep it long for a while. You want to braid it, how could I say this? You want to braid it basically not too tight, because like I said, with crocheting the braids and putting that crochet needle, it's a lot of tension on your hair, and if your braids are super tight, it's going to be burning your scalp is going to be burning. So I like to use do my braids a little loose, and it really, you guys, it's really not going to matter because One, if you're worried about neatness, you're not going to see your braids. Two, if you weren't worried about longevity, it's really not that bad. It's really, you guys, it's really not that bad. So you don't have to do them that tight. So at the end, when I'm done, I just go ahead and I sew my hair down. And again, this is an optional braid pattern, but this is my braid pattern. This is what I do. You do not have to follow these steps, but you might as well because you're watching the video. So now that my hair is sewed all the way down, let's just get into this hair, honey. So again, this is the Janet Collection Nala Tress Crochet Looped Ziggy Mambo Twist. Again, I have the 30-inch and in a 1B. It comes in a whole slew of other colors that you guys could try. And again, each braid is 100% handmade. It's so natural, you guys. I could not believe it. And the loops are very easy to work with, unlike, honestly, their crochet butterfly locks. If you have not seen my struggle video, I don't even really know if I really even want to promote that. But anyways, these are way better, way easy to work with. I believe 7 to 8. I believe I counted 7 to 8 braids in each pack, but again, don't quote me on that because they all very different. A lot of them have more braids and strands than another, so what you get in one, you won't get in the other one. I use, because you guys never pay attention, and at this point, I'm just like over it because I say how many packs I use in every one of my videos. I even put in the description box, and you guys still find a way to ask me. So for the record, I used 5.5 packs for this hairstyle. 5.5 packs, 8 to 7 strands in each one. Got it. I'm not saying it no more. But anyways, I'm still watching the video. So what I will say is I did not want a lot of braids, you guys, because I already knew these were a bit bigger. So the bigger the braids, the bigger the headache, because I always get headaches when I have braids. So if you actually want less braids, you can use less packs. But if you want it full, you might have to use about 5 to 6 packs. Because like I said, it's not enough strands in the packs for you to just, get away with 3 packs. But again, I like the way my hair turned out. It was not as thin as I wanted it, but I believe it came out very well. So this is the texture. The texture is super natural, you guys. It's not, dang, I lost my train of thought. But anyways, yeah, super natural. They're super soft, but again, they can be heavy depending on how many braids that you have. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep them up, but yeah, it is awesomeness. Okay, what else do I want to say? Again, so if you don't know how to crochet, of course you use your crochet hook. I'm loosening my rubber bands because they were a bit tight, so I don't want to have to be struggling with all that tension. So you just hook the braid in, you pull the loop part. You don't have to pull the whole entire part. You pull that loop part through just so you can be able to pull the braid through the loop. And this is not going to be a piece of cake, you guys. It's going to be some work be put in, but at least it's not as bad as the butterfly locks for me. And you just pull the braid through the loop, and that is pretty much it, you guys. I really don't know what else to say. It's pretty much the same technique I've had for all of my videos. So now I'm just going to sit back and okay, and this is what I meant. Sorry, I thought I was going to be done. I like my braid crochets to look like actual real braids. Like I really sat in a chair and I got them done, or I did it myself. So that was like I pulled it back because it's just to show you that you can still have that part effect, and it looks super natural as if you just really braided, just did Marley twists on your head. So again, that is pretty much it. I don't really know what else to say. I said, okay, yeah, it's Janet Collection. I use 5.5 packs, 1B, 30-inch, 30 inches, 30-inch. And these were a lot of braids, you guys, a lot of braids, but I actually like these way better for some reason. I love these better than the butterfly locks. So Janet Collection, you did that, and I'm not just saying that because this is a collaboration, but you know. So the first side of my head is finished. It's finished, and I'm just gonna move on to the other side. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna come back a little bit later and let's see how this turned out. So I am back, you guys, in that getting jiggy with it. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. It's giving me bombastic, fantastic. I don't know. It's just giving me just black girl magic, black girl protective style, black girl mambo twist. Like, I don't know. I'm absolutely in love. I did not think I would love these braids as much as I did. So let's just try to keep them in as long as possible. You can do different styles. This is the middle part. I'm not rocking with this middle part, and when I pull all the hair, it looks like I'm drowning in the hair. So we don't like that. We're gonna put that back, but the middle part is okay. I prefer a side part. You can wear it up and down, half up, half down. Depending on how you do the back, you can wear them in a ponytail, but these are really heavy, guys. I don't see how, I'm crazy. I don't see how you put this in a ponytail, but this is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe. God bless. Have a good day.